Hello! We are having a crazy winter storm. We live in Wisconsin, so we know how to deal with snow, but roads are closed, our driveway isn't plowed out, highways are closed, businesses are closed. It's a lot of snow in a very short amount of time. We've actually been trapped in our house for 2 days now, not able to go anywhere. We're actually wondering if the kids are not going to have school tomorrow because there's that much snow. We saw in the news that there are buildings and homes that actually the roofs are collapsing. It's actually a record-breaking storm. This is the most snow we've ever had in April that was been recorded. The small cage that I made outside for growing out chickens and ducks, that actually collapsed because it was all fencing and just had a tarp over the top. The boys, though, are absolutely loving the snow. They were outside playing in it earlier. Here's a few clips.
The snow is too deep. He doesn't want to go in,
but he's not liking it.
The snow is too deep. He can't walk very well.
I know, but he doesn't want to sit on the sled. Sit down, buddy.
Forrest, sit down so Briggsy can pull you. Gordy.
Gordy's loving this. This is crazy.
Yeah, this is not normal.
Oh, those crazy boys. If you have a bad weather story, I would love to read about it in the comments below. And what kind of scary weather do you have to worry about where you live? Talk to you later. Bye.
About this snowstorm, Stu.
It's crazy.
Yeah, how crazy was it?
On a scale of 1 to 10, it's Allie.
No!